Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Gera Big Goikar Award goes to environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar. CM promises to meet central government to solve CRZ, SCZ and special status issues. Release booklet highlighting achievements of government in last 2 years. Monsoon to strike Goa in next 1 or 2 days. Pre-monsoon showers lash Goa on Saturday. Churchill's 10 on Mopa and 6 lanes spurs speculation of Churchill leaving Congress. Churchill denies the talk. Fresh investigation will start once the forensic confirms that the remains are of tigers. CCF tells Prudent. And all bodybuilders welcome under the umbrella of Goa Bodybuilding and Fitness Association, SAG declares. Now the news in detail. Noted environmentalist Rajendra Kerkar was awarded Gera Big Goikar 2009 for his struggle to save Madai River. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath presented the Gera Big Goikar Award. Around 150 nominations were received for this award. Nirmal Kulkarni received the Gera Big Goikar Award on behalf of Rajendra Kerkar, who was not present at the function. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath presented the award.
And the award goes to, any guess? It is Rajendra Kerkar.
Gera Big Business Award was presented to Blaise Costabir for initiating router business model in Goa.
Many congratulations, Blaise Costabir.
Thank you. We feel good. You're recognized for your work, as you say. And I hope that young people will think, why not get into doing your own business? If that happens, then it's worth it also. But personally, I feel good that I've been recognized and I'm happy.
Gera Big Concerned Citizen Award was backed by historian Prajal Sakardande for his contribution in the field of history and also voicing out concern for Goa.
Prajal Sakardande.
I feel extremely happy. I feel reassured, that the work that I was doing in the field of heritage has been recognized by the society, and I am extremely grateful to the society for, thank you, for, it is from the people of Goa, and I feel very motivated, and I feel it is the award for the people of Goa. They have recognized my work.
Gera Big Green Champion Award was presented to ecologist and wildlife photographer Nirmal Kulkarni for his work towards discovery wild side of Goa and protecting it.
Award goes to Nirmal Kulkarni.
Well, I'm very happy for actually receiving this award, but I feel that this award does not only belong to me, it belongs to my entire team who works with me in the Western Ghats and who are actually part of the whole exercise that we do, which includes doing wildlife research as well as creating awareness. Yeah, I think that's very important that, the work that I do is not the work of an individual person. I actually am one of the researchers, but we've got a whole team of local people who are working. We've got a whole team of volunteers, wildlife volunteers who work with us, and I think this is a team effort, and I dedicate this award to them actually.
Gera Big Innovation Award was backed by young student Nathalie D'Souza for discovering bacteria that can generate electricity.
This award goes out to Any guesses? Natalie. You got it right? Natalie.
Actually, I'm really happy. I was a little surprised when I first came to know about the nomination. I didn't really expect it at all. And it's really a push forward. It's a lot of encouragement. And this is really what I needed after all the research.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Ganesh Hodkar for Prudent Media. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath has said that he would meet Prime Minister Manmohan Singh and other central ministers on CRZ, SEZ and special status to Goa. Kamath was speaking to media after releasing a booklet on achievements of his government in last 2 years.
Besides Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Transport Minister Sudhin Davlikar and Revenue Minister Jose Philip D'Souza attended the briefing on Saturday in Panji. Digambar Kamath had sworn in as Chief Minister of Goa on 8 June 2007. The 46-page book containing reports on works done by government in the field of economic, commerce, industry, social welfare, tourism and sports was released. Some of the achievements mentioned in the booklet includes development of tourism infrastructure, help granted to Anganwadis, agriculture and animal husbandry funding, implementation of Goa Cooperative Societies Act, 100% computerization of Panchayat, Rural Self-Employment Scheme, establishing better platform for artists, eco-friendly industrial development, healthcare and hospital upgradation, computerization of land records, modern bus stands in Goa's 4 towns, financial grant for marriages, new hospitals in North and South Goa, 450 added medical block at GMC, creation of infrastructure for educational institutions, plans on Mopa and Daboli, water connectivity to all 347 villages and developing sports infrastructure.
As a Chief Minister, we have tried, or I have tried to see that every field we try to do better.
In coming days, Kamath government plans to work on issues pertaining to CRZ, special status and SEZ denotification.
Even on SEZ, I have yesterday written a letter to Shri Anand Sharma, putting all the facts on record. On CRZ also, by Monday, Tuesday, I will send the letter to Jairam Ramesh, and I intend to meet him, both of them, when I go to them.
What about the issue of special status to Goa? Will that be also taken?
Special status also, I will take it up with Pranab Mukherjee and the Prime Minister.
Digambar Kamath added that if government takes back the SEZ land from the developers, then developers' money would be refunded. 2 days back, Churchill Alemao had shown his reservation with Mopa Airport and arrival of more tourists in the state. Kamath, however, made it clear that there is no confusion with regard to Mopa and Daboli, and he would speak to Churchill on the matter.
Now, government has to stand very clear. So, I will speak to him.
Reacting to media reports that some Punch members had stopped a film shooting and demanded for money, Kamath assured that henceforth ESG would permit film shooting in Goa and 30% of the revenue earned would be given to village panchayats. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Yashwant Parab.
Pre-monsoon showers have once again affected normal life in Goa. At many places, trees were uprooted, causing loss to property. Met Department has now predicted monsoon to strike Goa in next 1 or 2 days.
Pre-monsoon showers have lashed Goa from Friday midnight. These heavy pre-monsoon showers have suddenly